What if I told you that part of who you are doesn't come from modern humans at all? That inside your DNA is the legacy of a woman who lived 50,000 years ago in caves and forests, long before skyscrapers, cities, or even written language. This is the story of the Neanderthal woman, our mysterious ancestor whose secrets are still buried inside each of us. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at yourself in the mirror the same way again. Before we dive in, don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe if you love uncovering the hidden past, and drop a comment below. How much Neanderthal DNA do you think you have? Let's see some guesses before we reveal the truth. Neanderthals were not just the cavemen of stereotype. They were complex, intelligent, and remarkably resilient. But perhaps their greatest legacy isn't in the tools or fossils they left behind. It's in us. Their DNA is still alive today, influencing the way we look, think, and even how our bodies fight disease. Neanderthal women were strong and adaptive, standing about 5 feet tall, with wide hips suited for childbirth and powerful arms shaped by survival. They thrived in Ice Age Europe and Asia. They weren't just survivors, they were innovators, passing down knowledge, foraging strategies, and even genetic gifts. And here's where it gets fascinating. When Homo sapiens migrated into Neanderthal territory, they met, mingled, and interbred. Here's the shocking part. If you're of non-African ancestry, about 1 to 4% of your DNA comes from Neanderthals. That's right. Most people alive today are carrying around little pieces of Neanderthal women inside them. But the inheritance wasn't equal. Research shows much of this genetic legacy came through Neanderthal women who had children with Homo sapiens men. And their genetic fingerprints are still shaping us. From Neanderthal women we gained immunity genes that make us more resistant to diseases, skin and hair variations, like lighter tones that help survival in colder climates. But also some downsides. Genes linked to depression, diabetes, and even a stronger pull toward nicotine addiction. So when you look at your own quirks, health, or appearance, remember, some of those traits may have been passed down by Neanderthal mothers tens of thousands of years ago. The big mystery: why did Neanderthals disappear about 40,000 years ago? Climate change, food scarcity, and competition from Homo sapiens all played a role. But maybe they didn't really vanish at all. Instead, through generations of interbreeding, their unique culture faded, while their DNA was absorbed into ours. Which means, in a way, Neanderthals never left. They live on in you. Today, scientists are piecing together entire Neanderthal genomes, unlocking new insights every year. Some even ask, could we one day bring them back? Could a Neanderthal woman, reconstructed from ancient DNA, walk among us again? That's not science fiction. It's a question scientists are actively debating. The Neanderthal woman isn't just a fossil, a skull, or a story in the dirt. She's part of your bloodstream, your immune system, your very identity. Her story didn't end 40,000 years ago. It's still unfolding, written inside each of us. So if this journey into your ancient past made you see yourself a little differently, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment. Do you think Neanderthals truly disappeared, or are they still here, hidden inside us all?